Okay, top 10 must-have things. The top 10 things you really need. Of course, there is more, but I just selected 10. First thing is a backpack. Okay, you cannot travel with a suitcase because you don't have road in this life. Okay, so you will have to carry on your suitcase. Better to carry on your backpack like this, and then you raise it here, and it's your hips that hold it, not your back, not your hand. Earplugs, bah oui, earplugs, because you need to sleep in your life. And when you are in a shitty dorm with 15 people and they are all snoring, up, you put your little earplugs, up la, and you can sleep like a baby. So this is so needed. Also, when you sleep in the countryside where there is so many dogs and roosters that are all night long, you want to kill yourself. So good to have the earplugs. Alors, your own padlock, so I said before, okay, I don't find it, so you know what I mean, to lock your locker or lock something. Water filter, again, lifesaver, and the gourdas, in English, flask, or something like that. Because you cannot be buying bottle of water all the time, you need to have some water. This bag, the Fanny bag, that is waterproof and can close and it's strong, you know. So find the best for you and take it. Me, I have big one because I put my GoPro in it, but this is actually very big. Flip-flop. Bah yes, because when you are in Amsterdam in the hostel and you have to take your shower where everybody has fuck, pee, wank, you don't want to walk in there, so you wear your little flip-flop, like this you clean and your feet are clean and this is good. 2 credit cards, because you need one in your bag and one back in your room, just in case. And you need to have one Visa and one MasterCard, because sometimes they don't take Visa, sometimes they don't take MasterCard. Ah, knife to cut things. Alors, my knife is... So you see me, I have tape, anti-venin, okay? I have LeatherMan. Voilà, so LeatherMan is like a knife, but next level. Thank you, Mom, for giving me yours. So this is amazing because this is the best thing in the world. You have different knife, you have everything on this. You have a sizer. Yeah, it's really really nice. So you need at least a knife or something like this because you will need to cut things, you need to cut rope. It's not just to kill someone. No. My second wallet. Ah ouais, I have binocular as well. Because me, I like bird watching and sea watching, so I have my little binocular. Also this thing, travel insurance and the tiger balm, because when you have a mosquito you put before and like this mosquito don't come, and when you have mosquito bite, up you put on your little bite, it's here, you put on your little bite and like this you don't have infection. And citronella oil to make your own citronella mosquito repellente. I mix water with coconut oil when I have just a little bit, like this it's more sticky to your skin, and citronella, and this lasts, I don't know, 3 months, and I can make maybe 50, so you have enough for all your life. Okay, we are done with this. So that's it, Happy Women's Day, I hope you like this video, and thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video, and yeah, see you soon.